Why do you want to study Japanese language, or why do you want to learn Japanese language?
My mom wants me to.
In Japanese, is self is jiko. Then the introduce or introduction is shokai. Okay. Then I forgot. After you greet, ohayo gozaimasu. Then bow. Then say hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Nice to meet you. Sumimasen. Excuse me. So before you ask a question, maybe example, you're in Japan right now. So if you ask a question to other people or other men, you must say sumimasen or excuse me. Because if you don't say that sumimasen word is in Japan is rude. Close-sang sumimasen. Genki desu ka?
Hi, genki desu.
Okay, very good. The next question. 何歳ですか？
19歳です。
どこに住んでいますか？
Mississippi に住んでいます。
Good, very good. ミシシッピに住んでいます。Okay. Then, お誕生日はいつですか？
4月13日です。
Very good. Okay, then the last one is 趣味は何ですか？
私の趣味は楽で
こと
す。
です。
です。
Yan. Okay.